Look at this baby. It's his first day that he can really walk. He'd probably be good at it by tomorrow, I'm betting. Look at him. He's gonna come daddy? He's gonna come to daddy? Oh, look at him, he's gonna come daddy. Look at him, he's gonna want to come daddy. Oh, you did, you come daddy. Who did? You come daddy, big bird. You did, you came daddy. We don't want you to fall down, little baby. Hey, mama, can you be down here with baby? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there it goes. Feeding the baby. Feeding baby. Yeah, okay. Feeding the baby. Wow, you really feeding that baby. Wow, that girl really feeding the baby. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, he's tall. Is he almost as tall as you? Is he almost as tall as you, little baby? Oh, look at him squall. Look at him squall. Really just squalling. He says, come on, mama. I'll give you more for me than just that. See, come on, I'm a big baby. I'm a big baby. Now take care of me. I'm the big baby. The big baby. Ooh, yes, he is the big baby. You gonna come, daddy? You gonna come, daddy? Are you gonna come, daddy? Look at him, he's gonna come, daddy. You not gonna come, daddy? Where are you going, little baby? You gonna go to those birds? Are you gonna go to those birds? Oh no! We better put you back on the towel. Yeah, we haven't figured out slick clothes yet.